From the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Craig Carper. Richmond Mayor LeVar Stoney, School Superintendent Jason Camross, and members of Richmond's legislative delegation are pushing House and Senate budget conferees to restore at-risk funding for low-income school districts. Governor Ralph Northam had included $35 million for the program in his budget, but the money was removed by the House. The Richmond delegation hand-delivered flowers to the budget writers for Valentine's Day to help win them over.
We knew that Richmond was first on their mind, but we wanted to ensure that we were first in their hearts as well when they get around the table.
Democratic Delegate Jeff Bourne says the House budget disproportionately removed more dollars from predominantly black school districts than predominantly white school districts.
When we look at these issues, we've got to look at it both from a racial perspective as well as an equity perspective.
Republican Delegate Chris Peace, a House conferee, says they chose instead to invest more classroom dollars into the state's across-the-board per-pupil allocation. He says that approach is preferable because at-risk funding requires a local match and can put a strain on localities. For Assembly 19, I'm Craig Carper.
Broadcast of Assembly 19 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will bring dividends tomorrow.